Guys, so today I will show you my new toy. So my new toy is here. She's so cute. She have glasses. The glass is peach. I like peach. And we have a new tag, Barbie. And she have a short, red short. And she have what's this? What is this? Yes. Hikaw. That's a hikaw. I don't know what English. That's a Filipino. Ooh, nice hat. And nice dress for me. And she have a bracelet. Okay, the next. The next is Rapunzel. She's so cute. I like it. The crown is purple. And the dress is purple. The hair is so long. Wow. Look at that. It's so nice. Okay, time to play. Hello, Barbie. Hello, Rapunzel. Let's play. Okay. What do you want to play? Tag? No, I don't want a tag. I want song. Okay. That song, Little Ribbon. I am a ribbon, I am a little ribbon. I want to go to the supermarket because my mommy and daddy is there. But my brother is here. He want to play with me. Now I will stay at home because I will play now with my brother. I am a little ribbon. Bow. Okay, let's sing Barbie song. Okay. Wait. Where are you looking? Barbie? The sky? Rapunzel. Done. She don't need a shade. She need a sunglasses. But this is a sunglasses. This is not a shade. I'm looking a shade, but this is a sunglasses. Okay. She don't need a shade because she's not in the beach. Because she's here in the home. Because it's toy. Because the dress is for beach. But it's not a beach. Go on, what are you doing? I will fix it. Okay. She doesn't need the glasses. She need a friend. Okay, let's sing Barney song. Okay, let's sit in here. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family in the great big dog, and that is for me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a best friend like friends should be in the great big hug and the kiss for me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Okay, we're done. Okay, I will try Rapunzel. Okay. There. Oh, the head is so big. Just like our grandmother. She's a grandmother. Okay, we're done. Okay. Please like and share and subscribe for more videos for tomorrow. Barbie, don't need the glasses. Okay, guys. Bye.